everybody, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative with our brand new June Steampunk Boutique card making kit. Let me show you the cards and what's in the kit. These are great value kits at just $27. Just a little heads up, there will be a price increase on kits next month from July, and card making kits will be going up to $28 just by $1. Okay, so in the kit you get your inspirational page, which has got all 6 cards on there, which are real size. So if I was going to put this card on top, it's exactly the same. So if you measure from here to here on your piece of paper, it's exactly the same size as my card, so in real life size. In the kit you are getting some black rhinestones, some black ribbon, some of our rectangle card and envelopes, our Steampunk Boutique creative cuts, one of our small little inserts, and this is on die number 4. You can cut that one out with if you have the die, and have our Steampunk Boutique 6x6 collection pack. Let me show you the cards in detail. Great stash cards, little happy birthday one. Beautiful colour scheme on these cards this month. Thankful. Cute little steampunk little addition there. And I love the hot air balloon and the umbrella. And that is the very last one. So we have 2 other card making kits in June. Hey baby boy and hey baby girl. So jump onto the next video to see everything that's in those ones. Till next time, bye.